Kaori no Rakuen Silky Foam Shampoo. White Musk, soapy and healing fragrance. Oriental, luxurious perfume-like fragrance. A new fragrance has been released for our most popular foam shampoo. Super concentrated, the most luxurious scent. 20% more foamy than before. Dense foam and relaxing fragrance. How to use? First, remove dirt from the car. Measure with a cap and put it in a bucket. Whisk by water pressure. Incredible foam! Wash the car body gently. Wash sides and top thoroughly. Wash out with water. Wipe up before drying. All done! Kaori no Rakuen Silky Foam Shampoo, super concentrated type, 25 car washes. Wilson.